Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a PayPal donation link. First, log in to your PayPal business account. Once inside, navigate to the Tools section, usually found in the main menu. From there, you will select PayPal buttons from the list of available options. This is your starting point for creating a custom donation button, allowing you to receive financial support easily and securely from your audience. It's a straightforward process to get started. Now let's customize your button. Select the donation button type. You'll then choose your preferred currency, like US dollars or British pounds, ensuring donors can contribute in their local currency. For security, you can opt to use your PayPal email or a secure merchant ID. Finally, personalize the button's look and feel, adjusting its size and text to seamlessly integrate it into your website or platform. This step ensures your button is both functional and visually appealing. Next, you'll set the donation details. You can allow donors to enter any amount they wish, offering complete flexibility, or you can provide fixed donation options, such as $10 or $25. It's also helpful to add a specific purpose for the donation, like support our community project, so donors know exactly where their money is going. You can even include an optional text field for personal messages. Review everything to ensure it's 100% accurate. Finally, it's time to get your link. PayPal will generate the HTML code for your customized button. You'll simply copy the provided link or the embed code. Then, paste this link onto your website, share it across your social media profiles, or include it in your email campaigns. Remember, it's crucial to test the donation link thoroughly to ensure it functions correctly and provides a smooth experience for everyone who wishes to contribute. You're all set to start receiving donations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.